We are Mart Magical Travels and we are the owners of our travel agency. My name is Megan.
I'm Brian.
Avery.
All right, and we are opening this YouTube channel because we're going on a lot of fun Disney vacations this year, and we're super excited. And we want to bring you guys along with us and show you a lot of behind the scenes at the different destinations that we're going to. We're going on at least 4 different Disney destinations this year alone, and we're super excited, and we want to bring you guys along with us to show you everything we're going to do. Because we do book all of these locations, and we want to show you guys all the fun opportunities you have to go on these trips.
All right, so where are we going tomorrow?
Disney cruise.
A Disney cruise. We are going on our first ever Disney cruise. We're super excited. We're going to show you guys all the tips and tricks that we do with packing, especially all the things that we have to bring. There's a lot of documents that you have to bring for cruises, so we're going to bring you guys along with us. All right, you guys, so over here we have our huge luggage. This is one of my favorite luggages. Look at how cute it is. Has Minnie Mouse all over it. And I'm already setting out all of our things. We leave tomorrow, so things are coming up obviously super quick. We have all the things all laid out. All right, so since this is our very first Disney cruise, I feel like we're completely overpacking for all the things, but we have a lot of things already laid out here. Here are my dresses for each night. I have 2 like pretty, not like formal dresses, summery type of dresses. And the black one is a dress that is for pirate night, since we will be having pirate night on this cruise. I got Avery a super cute little outfit that I'll show you guys later on. We have a bunch of ears that we're packing, of course. One of the things that we always tell all of our customers to get is some magnets. So this is something that we're bringing on board to put on your door. It's really cute. Everybody decorates their doors and stuff like that. So we're gonna try to fit all of this, including all of this stuff. Say hi, Avery.
Hi.
So here's all Avery's outfit right here. I was hiding this earlier. Here's her super cute pirate costume. She has some extra ears right here. All right, so one of the things that a lot of people give advice on is packing cubes. Now, this is our first time using packing cubes, so I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of this video how well that they worked out. This one came with 8 different ones, different sizes. I planned on getting a couple different ones, like ones for Avery, maybe some pink ones so that we know which stuff is hers, some for Brian and I, but I don't really know if we like it yet because we haven't tried them. Usually we do the Ziploc baggie method, especially for Avery's clothes because they're so tiny. Each day inside of a little Ziploc and then write the day on it when we're going to Disney and stuff like that. So we're gonna try out these packing cubes, especially because I know the space that is on all the Disney cruise ships. They have great sized rooms, and they also have a lot of different drawers and stuff like that that you can use. So it'll be super nice to just take these, put them in a drawer, and then put the suitcase and everything like that under the bed to not have to deal with it.
So, here's my clothes. My sweaters, pants, a shirt, and socks, shirts, little Tinkerbell, a hat, and all my dresses over here. My fanny pack, my swimsuit area. Here's my dad's hat.
My cruise shirts.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, and here's my dad's cruise shirts.
Pretty tropical.
That one and that one.
Am I gonna look good in those?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got
And
some
then-
swimsuits.
Yep, swimsuits.
Got a new one.
Yep,
It's pink.
pink and blue. Here's my mom's area. My ears are somehow in her
There's some
area
ears.
that say it's my birthday. And here's mommy's pile, her green sweatsuit for the airport. Jammies with a poison apple shirt. Earrings, and I have some matching earrings also. They're kind of matching. And here's mommy's flip-flops, some
Plus,
ears.
we got ears and dresses.
And dresses. Going on a Disney Dream, and we're going to Animator's Palette, and Royal Palace, and Enchanted Garden. And I heard there was hidden duckies. The special ducky is the golden ducky. I've heard it's on the Mickey's nose. He's a golden statue.
All right, you guys, we're starting out with our packing cubes. So Avery has the smallest clothes.
I might have this one. It might be too small. It might be too big for me.
That one's huge. So we're gonna start with her shorts and her pants. Everyone says to roll everything. Look at how cute this is. Yep. So we're gonna try the rolling method. We'll see how much can fit in here. I'm sure a ton. Obviously her stuff is so tiny, as you can see, compared to mine and Brian's stuff. Gotta roll them up. Take them like this, fold them, roll them super tight, and then we'll be able to kind of like shove them in here. It's always great to bring a light sweater. Avery and I both have one because it can get cold on the ship. We just got merchandise made.
Yep, that's me.
Look at how cute. This is our Martin Magical Travels. This is the back of it. It says, ask me how to book a trip today. Avery is our little baby travel agent on the team. Yep. It says Magical Travel Agent on it. We have t-shirts that we just had made and we have them for our whole team. It's so cute. But for starters, this is a little sweatshirt we're gonna put in here. I always try to bring an extra pair of clothes for Avery for the airport just in case something happens. I have something for that.
Okay, so I got some extra clothes for the trip, and my mom's doing some packing cubes.
Hello. Packing
And
shoes in
Daddy's
I'm supervising.
watching at Mommy.
I'm watching over all the clothes to make sure they don't run away.
Yeah. All of my clothes fit in one packing cube, even my sweatshirt, which you can see it in there. And we're gonna leave these out because they're puffy dresses and my mom doesn't want them to get wrinkled for like dinners and stuff. And I got my fanny pack already, Tinkerbell, and a hat that goes with this at the bottom. And my mom's trying to get these packing cubes together.
Yep, the next up is all Daddy stuff.
Yep.
All right, so next up is another packing cube. We're gonna try to put all Brian's stuff in this one and see how it goes. Right, I'm already tired, but packing cubes are definitely a way to go.
Yep.
You see some packing cubes right here. I definitely should have bought more.
So we fit.
What do we fit in everything?
We fit socks in one tiny one, and then we fit Mommy's in one, and it all fit. A little bit all fit. And then we got Daddy's over here with.
And mine, majority of my stuff fit in here. So we're gonna try to put all this stuff actually in our big luggage now. Don't mind all the stuff that's happening over here. We just started homeschooling and we are transitioning one of our bedrooms into a homeschool room. So let's see if this can fit actually in the suitcase.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my packing cubes in my suitcase and see if it fits. Here's my socks. This big old fella can go there, and then can go right here. Right here. Oh, you can see the logo. And then the Tinkerbell. She goes on my shoulder. Tinkerbell can smush right here.
All right, things are looking good so far. This one packing cube literally fit all of Avery's clothes in it. Fits on one side. This side we put some shoes, and this big guy is looking extra large, obviously. Here we have the toiletry bag. This is one of the best things that I've ever bought off of Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. It's a giant waterproof bag, super thick. Literally fits all of our toiletries, good to go. I need to figure out how to put some dresses in here. We got some ears, and then of course, this whole side is super full. So now, unfortunately, is the time to weigh it to see where we're at. All right, guys, moment of truth. How much it weighs? I'm pretty sure it's over 50 pounds. It's pretty heavy. Is it over?
52 pounds.
Oh, all right. Okay, this is taking forever to try to figure out. We have a lot of things in this big suitcase. Here's where we're at with the other stuff. Now this we have to bring her booster seat because she's still in a car seat with these two luggages. We just were thinking that maybe we should go out and buy another real big suitcase. The last time we went to Disney World, our other really big suitcase got ripped, so it's ruined. And this is our only outstanding one. And as much as I would like another one of these, because it's really easy to spot at the airport, we don't have time because we literally leave early in the morning. So let's go see if we can find an extra suitcase. All right, you guys, crisis averted. We just got another luggage. It's a little bit smaller than our big mini one over there, but it's perfect. This side is completely full. We have all those shoes right here, and we were able to fit the booster in here, which is nice. Yep. We might bring this bag because obviously we plan on buying merchandise and stuff like that, just in case we need an extra bag. But even better, that means we just have the two in our backpacks and that's it. No little tiny bags that are over there or extra bags. All right, with the luggage, another thing we just picked up, which I've actually seen my mom use, is one of these little luggage scales. So it has a little attachment on here. It's only $10 at TJ Maxx. You attach it to the handle right here. You hold it up and it weighs your luggage for you, which is great, especially if you don't always have a scale with you. When you're usually on your way home from our trips, if you're going to anywhere like Disney and stuff like that, you're bringing home merchandise and just extra things. So you want to make sure that you are not overweight. All right, you guys, we constantly are filming on 2 different things, on our phone for Instagram and of course on the GoPro for all of this. Usually we can transfer videos over. However, with the GoPro, things need to be like really wide for YouTube. And here we are on Instagram. Also, can you see how cute this ring light is? Are you kidding me? It's so cute. It's my favorite. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
All right, we are all packed up. It is 3 a.m. and we're headed to the airport. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're ready.
All right, guys, off we go.
Okay, so we've got everything settled, and we're going on a road trip.
Neighbors making photos. See you outside. All right, we made it to Houston, Texas, and we are delayed by our flight due to weather in Florida, so we're really hoping to get on a flight before the day is over. Okay, here we are. How many hours have we been sitting here?
3.
Like 3 hours, and we still have, I think, 3 hours more. We got some heat coffee, because we are extra tired. We've been up since like 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning.
I got a vanilla grande. Mommy got a coffee.
Got a coffee. Dad's reading a book over here. And yeah, it's gonna see how long this is gonna take.